Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called NVIDIA Broadcast. So this has been already around for a while, but they add a new feature. It's called eye contact. So even if the object in a video is not looking at the camera when they are recording the camera video, then that AI within the NVIDIA Broadcast will ensure that your eyes are focused on the camera. So this is called eye contact. So you can download this from this NVIDIA Broadcast Download Center. So I will quickly show you what it is that update is included.
I'm Gerardo from NVIDIA, and I want to tell you today about NVIDIA Broadcast 1.4. In this new update, we have a brand new effect, eye contact, which is super cool because it will morph your eyes. So for example, here I can be reading at the script and it makes it seem as if I'm looking at the camera. We also have improved quality for a virtual background and the new vignette effect, which can be combined with background blur so that we do a cool bokeh effect. Go check it out at our website.
So I have this information.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.